Hi, I'm Mia. I love learning tech with Mom in fun ways.
Hi, I'm Zaya. I'm Mia's mom, and I'm also an AI engineer. Ready to learn about AI with us? Let's start now.
Mom, are all robots AI? Like, what makes a robot super smart?
Ooh, fantastic question, my curious Mia. Nope. Not every robot has that super smart AI brain. Think of some robots like simple wind up toys. They just follow one set of instructions. Zoom. They don't really know what they're doing. They just do what they're told, step by step.
Hmm, like what kind of robots?
Okay, picture this. Imagine a giant robot arm in a busy factory. Its job: pick up a box, put it down, pick up another box, put it down again, over and over, exactly the same way. It doesn't stop to think, maybe I'll change things up. It just follows its programmed dance moves.
So it's like a robot helper, but with no thinking brain.
Exactly, like a helper on autopilot. But when we sprinkle in some AI, that magical artificial intelligence, poof, the robot starts getting really smart. It uses sensors like little eyes and ears to explore. It learns from what it sees and does. And it can even make its own choices. How cool is that?
Wait. How does a robot learn? Tell me.
Aha, let's zoom in on a little robot vacuum, vroom. At first, bonk, it bumps right into the couch, oopsie. But a smart AI vacuum goes, whoa, noted. Big couch there. It remembers where things are. It maps out the room in its little computer brain. Then it gets cleverer and cleverer. It learns how to dodge Fuzzy the teddy bear, and it cleans every dusty corner.
So the more it cleans, the smarter it gets?
You got it. It's not just beep boop follow the line anymore. With AI, it's actually thinking like, this spot is sparkling clean. Let's go find some dust bunnies over there.
And normal robots can't do that?
Not without that AI magic. A regular robot might just keep bumping into that poor teddy bear. Bonk, bonk, bonk. But our super smart AI robot, it sees the bear. It thinks, hold on. And it cleverly navigates right around it. It's a little problem solver.
Whoa! Do you think robots could ever act like real people?
Ooh, now that's getting deep. Guess what? Super clever inventors are building robots that look like people. They can chat, they can wave hello, maybe even give a little smile. It's like something out of a futuristic cartoon almost.
Do they really feel happy or sad inside?
Ah, that's a really important difference, sweetie. They can show a smile or a frown, but it's because they're programmed to, like actors following a script. Deep down, they don't feel happy or sad like we do. No warm, fuzzy feelings, no little storm clouds inside. Just clever wires, sensors, and code.
So even if they're smart, they're still learning?
Yep, that's right. Robots are amazing helpers, and AI helps them keep learning. But we, humans, still guide them.
That's so cool. I heard someone's making a robot that can help at home like a person.
Oh, you must mean Elon Musk's robot. It can walk, carry things, and maybe even help with chores.
A family robot? That's amazing. Can we learn about that next?
Absolutely, Mia. Next time, we'll explore the future of home robots together.